Raleigh is a graphic design student from neighboring Roy, Utah, who sees OTECH as a vehicle to harness his creativity and build a career he is passionate about. Graduates with skills in digital design, software development, and information technology are in high demand, and a tech college certificate is the fastest way to jumpstart your career. Raleigh, take it away.
Great to see you, Alex, and I hope you enjoy the view of this awesome mountain range. My experience hasn't included what many think of as traditional education. Creative expression runs through my veins, and no college ever quite fit my creative needs. That is until my wife attended Ogden-Weber Technical College and everything changed. My wife's experience showed me that OTECH has the educational flexibility to match my goals and fit my busy life as well. I made the leap and landed in the graphic design program. The instructors want you to be prepared for the real job market and are there every step of the way. The guided course experience simulates working with businesses and clients to create brands and designs that fit their vision through your creative lens. OTECH Graphic Design has you mix your artistic vision and creativity with technical skills and training to become a capable and savvy designer that can make anything. I'm being given all the tools I need to unleash my passion for design and bring my creativity to the world. The skills I've learned in this program have already impacted my current employment. Professionally, I'm a ring artisan in charge of laser engravings. I apply design principles every day to ensure that clients get the right engraving for their perfect wedding band. The Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator skills I've learned through the graphic design program have been crucial to my success. With the investment in hands-on training OTECH has given me, I'll be able to thrive in the design field. After this, I plan to follow my passion in film, television, and art. The principles I'm learning in this program will be invaluable to achieving that future. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Raleigh, we have no doubt your future is bright with your passion for design and the hands-on skills you are mastering. Your experience immediately applying what you learned in the class to your ring design work shows how technical education and marketable skills go hand in hand. Raleigh, thanks for sharing your story.